We're going to find the area of a rectangle with fractional side lengths. When we find area of a rectangle, we multiply length times width. And so we're going to do that with this one as well. The only difference is that we've done this in the past with whole numbers and now we have fractions. So we just really have to multiply these fractions. 3/4 times 3/5. Now remember, when you multiply fractions, you do not have to have a common denominator. You just multiply the numbers on top. 3 times 3 is 9. And the numbers on the bottom, 4 times 5 is 20. And you get 9/20.